All right, so today I received a day early my Ducky Year of the Rat. I think it's the 2021 edition. I'm not 100% sure on that. This will be the unboxing of that, so let's get started because I'm excited to see what this thing looks like. This is my first unboxing video, so wish me luck. I got where is it? I got the cherry brown switches. Look at that. Look at that box artwork. I already love it. Look at that. For those of you who are not aware, my name is Freeze Dried Snot. This is my first unboxing video. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. I also stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 7 to 8 p.m. till like 11 p.m. So I start somewhere between 7 and 8 and end usually around 11. That smoothness there. See the back of the box. Look at that. A timeless 60% keyboard embodying the distinctive charisma of modern street art. Fucking love it. Love the box, man. That's a cool box. Got a little bit about the artist. And the piece de resistance, the keyboard itself. USB-C. This has a funky smell to it, if I do say so myself, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what is this? I believe this is the pad that came with it. Oh, that is fucking slick. That is slick. Fucking rad. Now for the keyboard itself here. Look at those keys. Rat going all around the space bar. Fucking slick. And what number did we get? We got 508 of 2020. They only made 2020 of these. Fucking slick. Here's the key remover. It's got a nice little click to it. Awesome. Key remover. These are the bonus keycaps we got here. Look at that. There we go. Una Moss key. Oh, that's a cool one. Mouse and crossbones. Fucking love it. Exciting. Anything else in here? No, that would be it. Let me get it set up and lit up here. All right, we got it all set up here. Got this pad. Like, I was unaware this was going to come with it. Made it 100% worth it as well. So let's go ahead and we're going to give it a plug-in. Going to do that live. Fuck it, we'll do it live. And boom. Oh. Look at that, huh? Excellent. Hope you guys had as much fun watching me unbox this as I had unboxing it. Thank you so much for coming on. Again, my name is Freeze Dried Snot. Go ahead and go follow me on twitch.tv/freeze-dried-snot. Again, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting between 7 and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, usually till around 11. Sometimes I go a little later. I do appreciate you guys coming around. I'm going to look forward to doing more of these when they put out more fun, interesting artwork pieces. Ducky keyboards are fantastic keyboards. Let's check out the clicky clicks. I love it. That's really nice and smooth for me. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a great day.